Ganun ulit. Identify. Where is your subject?
The director.
Director.
Director. No, the director. Along with his son is tanggalable phrase.
Tanggalable ang along with this.
Okay, very good. Your correct and only subject here is the word director. Because director here is your subject. Okay. Coach, meron pang pinag-uusapan dyan, oh. Sabi dyan, director, kasama ang anak. O, di ba subject din yung anak, ma'am. So, dapat kasama yan. Okay. Ang tawag po natin sa mga salitang ito ay, mas kilala sila bilang tanggalable.
Or intervening phrase.
Intervening word.
Or yung tamang tawag talaga sa kanila ay intervening
Phrase.
phrase. Okay, tinatawag lang namin siyang tanggalable kasi mas madali siyang matandaan. Okay? Now, Coach, bakit po siya tinawag na tanggalable? Kasi po, they are not part of the subject. They may just look like a subject, but they do not function as the subject in the sentence. Pangdagdag information lang po siya. Kahit tanggalin mo siya sa sentence, the sentence can still function. So, Coach, paano ko malalaman kung tanggalable phrase siya? Pag may ganito siya, pag meron siyang, yung mga words ay nasa loob ng 2 commas. Automatic, that is a tanggalable phrase. Meron pa, pag may mga along with, together with, among,
As well
ano
as.
pa ba? In between.
As well as.
Opo, as well as. At marami pa pong iba. At yung off phrase. Pag nakita nyo po yung mga yan, hindi po sila subject. Intervening phrase lang sila, pangdagdag information lang, but they are not the subject in the sentence. Okay? So, wag kayong magpapalito kasi patibong yan ni civil service. Okay? So, dito, your only subject is the word director. So, is it singular or plural?
Singular.
Siya ay singular.
Singular.
Isa lang siya. So, therefore, what is the next step? Tanggalin ang mga...
Plural.
Anong tatanggalin natin? What letter?
B and
Letter
D.
B and D.
Letter B and letter D. Now, do you have a time frame in the sentence?
Yes,
Late.
ma'am. Yes, late.
Yes, ma'am. Late.
Late. So, therefore, it's already passed. So, the correct answer
Was.
here is was.
Hey,
The director, along with his son, was late in the conference. Okay. Tignan nyo. Try natin tanggalin yung along with his son. Huwag natin basahin. The director was late in the conference. Is the sentence still complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, coach.
Ganon, ganon, kaya siya tinawag na tanggalable. So, huwag kayong magpapalito sa kanya. Okay? Question with this item.
None.
Okay, none.